guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please do not forget to click the subscribe button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. So in today's video, I'm going to do a hair tutorial of how to do this beautiful butterfly locks. This is my first time doing the butterfly locks, so yeah. So if you guys want to see more of how this beautiful butterfly locks came to be, keep watching the video and you guys will see how I did it. And I actually like bob cuts, so this was perfect. And it's like 10 inches, I think. Yeah, it's 10 inches, so yeah, it was actually pretty nice. So okay, Beyond Beauty wrote me on my email for me to do a review for them. I think it has 6 in it. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's gonna be 6 in there. And then, oh, they actually gave me some accessories. Free eyelashes and this free crochet needle, I think that's what it's called. It can happen to any one of us. Oh, it's actually pretty nice. I've never done butterfly crochet before, so I hope I do it good. I already braided my hair in cornrow last night. My mom did it for me. Actually it was 2 days ago, but yeah, my mom did those cornrows for me because I cannot do cornrows for the love of God. So my mom did the cornrows for me, and it's gonna be like 8 pieces because I feel like the 6 is not gonna be enough, so that's why I did it in 8 instead of, you know, make them small. So it's 8 pieces, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, so I got 8 pieces of cornrow with my natural hair. And now we're going to start. I think I'm gonna need my scissors. It can happen to any one of us. Boy.
Memories fade away, wither out, but I can't ignore the ache. Lying deep underground, you must have lost your way. Look around, all we can do now is pray. Make it count. I've lived through water, I've lived, seen pain you can't imagine. These days you take for granted, we fought out so you could have them. This truth you hold for ransom, buried beneath the static. No doubt the heart is damaged, light is cold and love is tragic. We wait up for the dawn, through the night, though our better days are gone. Made our peace, said goodbye, 'cause the further we carry on, through the fight, the stronger that we become. I've lived through water, I've lived, seen pain you can't imagine. These days you take for granted, we fought out so you could have them. This truth you hold for ransom, buried beneath the static. No doubt the heart is damaged, light is cold and love is tragic. Ooh, yeah, love is tragic. Oh, no. Ooh, love is tragic. Memories fade away, wither out, but I can't ignore the ache. Lying deep underground. You must have lost your way. Look around, look around. All we can do now is pray. Make it count. I've lived through what I have lived. Seen pain you can't imagine. These days you take for granted. We fought out so you could have them. This truth you hold for ransom. Buried beneath the static. No doubt the heart is endless. Light is cold and love is tragic. Love is tragic. We wait up for the dawn. Through the night, though I better.
Okay guys, so I actually just came back from the beauty supply store because the butterfly locks that they sent me, it wasn't enough for my whole head because I have a big ass head. So and I had like 8 cornrows, so that's why it wasn't enough for my head. So I just went to the beauty supply store and I bought more of the butterfly locks because it wasn't enough for my head. So I'm just hoping that these butterfly locks are the same as this one, because like I don't know, because I still have 2 cornrows left. It doesn't look the same as this one, bruh. Oh gosh, so they do not look the same. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but oh well.
It's tragic. Love is tragic. Memories fade away, wither out, but I can't ignore the ache. Lying deep underground, you must have lost your way. Look around, all we can do now is pray. Make it count. I've lived through what I have lived. Seen pain you can't imagine. These days you take for granted. We fought out so you could have them. This truth you hold for ransom. Buried beneath the static. No doubt the heart is endless. Light is cold and love is tragic.
Okay guys, so I am finally done after, wait, when did I start? I think I started around like 8, no, not even 8. I think I started around like 9 or 10, and it's currently 12:09, as you guys can see. Wait, hold on. It's like 12:09, so I guess it took me like 3 hours to do this hairstyle. It didn't take me a lot of time because I'm not like a really beginner friendly or whatever.
Through the fight, the stronger that we become. I've lived through what I have lived. Seen pain you can't imagine. These days you take for granted. We fought out so you could have them. This truth you hold for ransom. Buried beneath the static. No doubt the heart is endless. Light is cold and love is tragic.
This is the finishing look of the butterfly locks. I went ahead and did my edges, of course. It's on Amazon also if you guys want to go check it out. I'm gonna put the description box down below, so if you guys want to go and click that link. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys want to go check it out of where I got this beautiful butterfly locks, and yeah, it's actually pretty nice. I actually like it. I really like it though. Video, do not forget to click that like button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching the video.